Okay, so I guess you came here to find a way to control your camera without having to buy one of these remotes. This specifically is the Canon RS60E3. Now you can use this one to control the camera, or you can use just these two cheap wires. I'm gonna show you how right now. People usually buy a remote like this to take several pictures without moving the camera for stuff like time lapses or for long exposures. You know, you have to have the camera really steady for long exposures, so you control the camera from here instead of using the shutter button. So the basic functions of the remote are, first of all, focusing. You have press it and it focuses. If you want to take a picture, you just have to fully press it like that. If you want to take a long exposure, you have to set it to the bulb function like this, and then you have press it to focus. Once it's focused, you press the button and then you slide the switch up like this, and it's taking the picture. You can see the timer there. When you want it to stop, just slide the switch down, and that's it. We're going to replicate the exact same functions with the wires. Okay, so these are the two wires you're going to need for this project. The first one is a wire with a 3.5mm plug at one end, stereo. You see it has three parts. This is the one you need. This is one end, and the other end is a similar one, but it's smaller. It's a 2.5mm stereo plug. So this is the first cable you need, and the second one is just a wire with alligator clips on both ends. So the first thing you have to do, of course, is plug one end to the camera. So you're going to take the 2.5mm plug, the small one, and plug it here. You see, this is the port for the remote, so just plug it, turn on the camera, of course, and now we take the other part. This end is the one we're going to use to control the camera. First, you take and clip the alligator clip at the base of the plug, and we're going to use the other part to control the camera. If you touch the middle point with the alligator clip, it's going to focus. Let's move it. You see, it's focusing. When you want to take a picture, you just touch the tip of the plug with this part, and it takes a picture. And you can do it as many times as you wish. Now, if you want to take a long exposure, you have to set your camera to the bulb function. Once it's set there, you just focus first, and once it's focused, you take the alligator clip and clip it to the tip of the plug like this. And as you can see, it's taking the picture, and as long as this part is like this, it's going to go and go. When you want it to stop, you just take this part and unplug it, or, well, separate it, and it stops. If you want to take another one, just do the same thing. Remember, focus. Or you can use manual focus first, and once your scene is focused, you can just clip this at the tip. If it doesn't work like this, it's because you touched it, and you have to do it again. So let's do it. And there you go. It's taking the picture again. You wanted to stop? Well, just do this and that's it. So now you've saved some money or found something to do with your camera, I hope. So that's it for today. See ya!